everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I thought I was recording and apparently I wasn't, but we are going to start over. Today, as you can tell from the title, we are going over my vision board. Normally I do notebooks, planners, things like that at the beginning of the year, but I'm not doing that this year because I still have a lot of planners and things that I purchased last year that I haven't used, so we're going to get into my vision board. This is pretty much what it looks like. I ran on a foam board, so I am using a shipping box from the post office, which is fine. It works. I covered it in white paper, and I used magazines. So what I said before, when I thought I was recording, was these are things that are pretty much going to symbolize what I'm doing this year, what I'm already working on, and what I'm going to continue to work on and build on for the year. This is my short list. As you guys can see, a lot of this is things that I am working on that I had been putting off from 2018 that I didn't do, that I will be doing. Obviously, the end result of all of this is making more money. Here is just a combination of words to encourage me, things that I plan on working on. Greg and I are both going to work on getting healthier, eating right, exercising. As I was saying in the other video, was that I have a lot of words of encouragement. I don't have a lot of things that I want because I'm just not that person. Like, I feel like I have a lot of things that I want right now, and the bigger things that I want will come along the way as I process all of this. So I don't have that. I've noticed with a lot of vision boards that people do, they do pretty much like the big things that they want, like houses, cars, and things like that. I'm just not materialistic like that. So my wants and needs are more so targeted on me building myself up and building a better future for my kids. That's what I want. So to do that, I have to start with me. And as you can see, start fresh in 2019. I will also be letting go of a lot of baggage. And what I mean by baggage is people that have no purpose in my life, that I continue to have in my life, that are causing me more harm than good. I will also be letting go of some personal things and building upon other things, which you guys will find out if you follow me on my other channel, which is linked below. It's called Nika's Life, but you can look it up by my name. Also over here, like I was saying, I want to get into doing some beauty things, more so on what I use, why I don't wear a lot of makeup all the time, what I use in my hair, my skin, the kids, and things like that. So that's what the beauty is for here. Traveling is something that we want to do this year, which we are going to start doing. This is to symbolize me stop being cheap. Sorry, and to purchase myself this thing that I want that is not expensive at all, but I've just been putting it off because I'm so cheap. But anyway, the books here. I don't know if some of you know, but I wrote a book back in 2014. I waited a whole year before I published it in 2015. I have not really been promoting it, but the book is out there. That link is also below if you would like to read it. It's a fiction novel. It's kind of fantasy. It's like fantasy, I don't know what you call it, but it's for young adults, so it's not for little kids. I would say if you're going to read it, I would suggest you be like 16 and up. But I want to start working on ebooks and other books that I have planned. I had planned to write the second installment of that book. The name of it is Genevieve. You can check that out. It's based around the 1800s. Kind of interesting. So if you like things like that, check it out. But yeah, I want to finish writing the second installment. I have 3 other books that I want to write, like self-help books, and then I have 4 children's books that I've written almost 10 years ago that I need illustration for and I want to get published. And then, like I said, my ebooks. So that's that. Sorry for all the noise, guys. It's still vacation. Anyway, this is what I did. This is what is going to keep me in line for 2019. My main goal to get all of this accomplished is to be healthier. I want to get off all of these medications that are just dragging my body down and just making things a lot worse for me. So to do that, I have to start eating healthier and hopefully getting into some exercises that I can do that won't affect my lungs, my knees, or my back. So we will follow that journey on my other channel, my weight loss, to like doctor's appointments, hopefully getting better with, you know, my breathing and things like that. So you make sure you're following me on that channel and this channel. So that's that. It's very easy. It's not very difficult to make a vision board. It's just what you want for yourself and your future. And if you are a parent, you know, your kids and things like that. So mine is to basically keep me focused and encouraged. Not, like I said, the biggest thing that I want is to travel. Like the kids are getting older, you know, and we don't have much time to spend together with them before they're off into their own lives. So I want to be able to share those things with them now, you know, before they start their own family and they don't really have time for that anymore. But yeah, that's what this is. So the changes that will be coming to this channel will be the fact that I'm not doing 3 times a week anymore on this channel. Only because I'm opening up, I'm going back to my other channel. I'm going to start re-uploading. So I will be uploading on that channel 3 days a week and on this channel 2 days a week. So you will get a video from me every day of the week except for Saturday and Sunday. But it won't be on the same channel. So Tuesdays and Thursdays will be uploading on this channel. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday I will be uploading on my other channel. And then Saturdays and Sundays, maybe bonus days, I may go live. I don't know. I haven't really decided, but I think I may just keep Saturday and Sunday for myself to recoup. But yeah, so if you want to follow my weight loss journey, everything else that I will be doing with my life, my family, you can check me out on that channel, Nika's Life. It is linked down below, so make sure you're subscribed here and that channel so you can see me 5 days a week. Also make sure you're following me on Instagram because that's where I post a lot of things. I don't do Snapchat anymore, so you can find me on Insta stories. Make sure you're following my blog because I will be uploading a lot of stuff on there. I will be revamping my website where I sell items, my custom items. That will be revamped. I will also be selling merch, my own merch. I create everything myself. I process everything myself. It's cheaper that way. I know a lot of people use other companies, but I will be doing all of my creating. So you can also check that out. Everything will be changing. What I had planned in 2018 is not what I have planned for 2019. So make sure you're following me so you can see every step of the way, the progress, and I will be sure to update you on any other changes I choose to make on Instagram. So make sure you're following me there, and all of that is linked down below. Like I said, the link to my other channel, my blog, my website, my book, all of my other social media, all of that is linked below. And if you are a business, you want to contact me, there's an address down below as well as a business email to contact me for any business ventures. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, share it out because I still want to get to that 10,000 so we can do the giveaway, which I am planning for right now. So we need to get close to that so we can start that giveaway, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.